here is how you can view multiple windows on your iPad at once. Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So we're going to get inside of Safari, and of course you can go to the plus button and start a new tab, but if we want to start to use like another window, then we have to do something else instead. Because what we have the ability to do is to either swipe up from the bottom, and if you have the Safari in the dock like I do, you can hold down on it and click on new window like this, and it's going to open yet another window. So if I go to the multitasking panel, you can see I have window 1 like the Safari, and I also have another one in the background. So as you can see, that's kind of how you can have two of them open. But in order to actually like multitask with it, you can just close it up like this, right? Or make it smaller, and then bring in here the other one as such, right? And also kind of like make it look and show up in the smaller tab. And now you have two windows of the same app of the actual like Safari browser. So it's not technically the tabs, but it's like the split screen for multiple windows. So you can even close it up individually in the multitasking panel. That's like the thing that you wanted to achieve most likely. And it of course applies to other apps as well, but the important point is that you need to have it set up inside of the settings properly. So if you go to your settings and find multitasking and gestures, you need to make sure that the windowed apps are selected and not the full screen apps, because in this case you will not really have the ability to multitask at all. So the windowed apps need to be enabled, or the stage manager, but as I keep mentioning in my videos, I'm not the biggest fan of that feature, so I just usually stick with the windowed apps, and I find this to be working very well. So I hope that I could just answer your question and help you out with that. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future uploads as well.